Okay, we got an even number of people. No one should feel left out. Now Jordan can keep the guys as friends and Janice can help us. But Carl and Janice are the tennis partners. And I do like Jordan looking over all my contracts. So let's trade me for Brian and you for Carl. No, that won't work because you and Leslie won't have any fun without me. So let's trade you for Carl and... Oh no! Janice loves his cooking. She'll never trade him. Oh. Hey, I was working on something here.
You were working on foolishness. Now we're not picking teams for dodgeball. Have you been sniffing your hair glue?
Hell, I know what I'm talking about. Divorce is just not the end of a marriage. The friendships are always affected and usually broken up. It's a human nature to pick sides, and that's how it's done.
But there's no side to pick.
Well, I'm on your side.
Michelle?
And his. Listen, I love you both, and I support your decision if you feel it's what's best for the two of you.
Well, they broke the mold when they made Jordan. And I know this isn't his fault. Now, what does that mean?
Maybe we'll see you every other Christmas, Les. Who is Alex Campbell?
A dude who kind of looks like a lady. But I believe it's a dude who has a little piece of sports knowledge.
You lied to me.
No, I didn't.
You didn't tell me that your new co-host is a chick.
That's right. I didn't tell you. So I didn't lie.
Not telling me makes you look guilty.
What? Man.
Uh-huh. Lying by omission. Oh no, baby. My head is as clear as a bell. You deliberately omitted, left out, forgot to mention that your new partner is a woman. And a pretty woman. You didn't tell me because you knew how I would react. And when you do that, it's called lying by omission. Oh, I got something for this. A dude? Really? You must think I'm a fool. Oh, I got your fool, buddy boy. Ooh.